Hello? 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 Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? So in the last week, what we have discussed? In the previous class, what we have discussed? So in the risk analysis, right, we had, while running risk analysis, we had errors, right? Okay. So first we have activated application and services, ICF services, and after that we have activated BC sets. Okay, then we have created one connector from 100 to 600. Then we have maintained all connector settings. Okay, so then we run the risk analysis. After that, before that, we have scheduled some synchronization jobs, like what are those synchronization jobs? In SPRO, we run some synchronization jobs under access control. Those are like repository sync job, authorization sync job. Okay. After executing these synchronization jobs, we went to this NWBC. There we ran the risk analysis. Okay. So here we run the risk analysis. See, by using this these values, global rule set. So here we don't have the values. Okay, risk analysis displays 0 values. Okay. So for that we need to run risk analysis again for all users. Okay. Say for example, all users. If we give star value in this user field, that means for all users.
All users, you mean which we have created, or even the default users like?
So now whatever the user IDs exist in 600 client, for all those users.
All users, okay.
Yeah. So run in the foreground, whether we check whether this works or not. See here. So this is, so here this is showed for only two user IDs, DDIC and SAP user. That too only for one risk ID. Okay. So why
So
it is showing
why they are showing one risk ID 4 times?
one risk ID four times? Okay.
BPP HR04, BPP HR04.
Yes, yes. See, this is, say for example, as per rule 1, these two are the conflicting codes. Okay. This
Okay.
one and SC0. As per rule 2, these two are the conflicting, GBC and SC01. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Same for this user also same. As per rule 1, these two, and as per rule 2, these two. So, but here it shows risk analysis for only one risk ID, and that too only for two user IDs. Okay. So, but our requirement is not this. Okay. As per our given rule set, it has to display violations.
Right.
So, but it is not showing our violations. So we need to, what we can say, we need to generate risk IDs. Okay. So why it is showing only one risk ID? We have to go to SPRO and we have to generate risk IDs. Go to synchronization jobs. Okay. Go to access risk analysis. Go to SOD rules. Here generate SOD rules. So here risk ID give star for all risk IDs. So for all risk IDs, this background job is going to create rules for permutations of combinations. System creates rule IDs for each and every ID, each and every risk ID. Click on immediate, save. So have we run this SOD rules? Okay. So as our program executed SOD rules or not? Okay. So to check that, go to SM37. Go to SM37 and execute. See, this is our background job. So still it is active. So active means it is being processed. So after this active status, either it will be finished successfully or due to cancelled some other user, some other reason. Okay.
Okay.
The same program. Okay. The same job executed 3 times. So for two times already cancelled is there. So this is India GRC.
Why is the time off? Why is time showing 12:01?
Where?
Down date, we have date and time. On the in the middle, plan start, job start in the middle. Down. Right there.
Yeah.
Why do you have the time and date different in here?
No, server has somebody maintained that time only in the server. Go to system and status. See, they have given this time only. I don't know while configure while installing server. After install server, they might have given this date. Okay.
Okay.
It is showing only 1108, right? 18. Yes. It is somehow job log. So job started. Job cancelled. Okay. So CST 22. The job has been cancelled. Okay. So click on so double click. The asset condition was violated. What happened? What can you do? Go to analysis. Correct the program. Here Due to some error, this is cancelled. The program is bash programming error.
So how can we fix it?
Yeah, we have to fix it by contacting that user administrator.
But when it says above programming error, is it something some admin has done in the system, or it's something?
No, no, like they have to inform this about this to above team.
The web team? Okay.
Yeah. They have to resolve the issue. If it is a programming error, uh, we cannot fix the issue. So we have to otherwise go to SM50. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dialog. Into background 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how do you know which process is running right now? Like it doesn't show any time or date in here, right?
Yeah. See here. mm, So for example, this is running. All these workflows are running. Okay. So for example, this one. If you double click this one, so here it is. This is background or process. This is the that ID of the ID. So here we can see the table also. Like if it is here, we can check the action, that is T code, and here you can see the table name if it is accessing any table, and here you can see the report name, main program name. So in the same way, see these are all. So this is the report name, this is the program name it is accessing. Like these are all different time. But here no background or process is processing our request. All now background or processor gets freed. Only SAP dialog work process is handling my requests. Okay. SAP LTHVB. Here, job logs, internalization terminated with a runtime error. So that is why this is unable to generate rules. So that is why previously rules might have been generated for that only one risk ID. Okay. So that is why it is showing risk IDs for only those two user IDs for that only risk ID. But here, why this job is cancelling? Somehow, uh, CPR 20. So even though if we activate this BC set again, we have to. Uh,
I remember we did that last time too. Didn't work.
yeah. So we did it, but after done this again, we have to regenerate that HOD rules. Okay. So, but here it is unable. So, this is for connector 100. So for this connector, we'll check. So this table should contain values, action violations.
So you have to put this in action, not under user connector.
Yeah, right. See, once error it came up, no. So if it is not working, again we have to like perform client copy. Okay, we have to restore this 100 with uh, some data. One second, Siddhas.
Sure.
Hello. లేదు ఉదయం నెట్ పోయింది ఇద్దరు చేస్తున్నాడా నెట్ పోయింది నేను అన్నం తిని సరే చెప్పేది నేను లేనమ్మా చెప్పేది నేను వెళ్ళాను బయటికి ఏది లంచ్ చేసి వెళ్ళాడు తర్వాత వచ్చినట్టుంది ఇంటికి పెట్టినట్టున్నారు నేనైతే నీకు రెస్పాండ్ కాకపోయినా ఆయన వాడు మాట్లాడితే వాడు రేపు పొద్దురికి ఇస్తాను అది పాత బాగాలేదు రేపు పొద్దురికి ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి ఇస్తాను రేపు వేరే చెప్పాడు ఎవరు ఈరా బాబు నాకు వచ్చాను వచ్చాను రాగానే నీకు క్లీన్ చేసేసాను నువ్వు బిజీగా ఉన్నట్టున్నావు సరే వస్తావు ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ సరే సార్ నేను అదే పని చేయాల్సింది అదే అదే కాల్ చేయాల్సింది ఆయన వస్తుంది ఓకే నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను షూర్ షూర్ సరే సార్ ఓకే చూడలేదు చూస్తా లేదు ఓకే బాయ్ Yeah, Shiraz.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't work again, we have to perform client copy.
Okay, so you're gonna contact the ABAP team then, or what's gonna work?
No, that will take. We don't have any ABAPs to resolve this. So this is non-IDA system, no? So we will create one new client and we'll perform client copy. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will work on it because
Okay.
otherwise that resolving that issue is like ABA program. Then again, if it is not possible, they require some S nodes. Those S nodes again we have to download from service marketplace. It is big time.
Okay.
Time taking process.
Okay.
So
So we'll have this class again, right? We're not moving forward since last two classes.
So if it doesn't have values, okay, I will today I will create and do the client copy. Okay. And by tomorrow we will.
Okay. And yeah, so you can stop the recording and send it to me to this one today's too. So I just have it for my reference.
Sure, definitely.
And I had a question about our timing now. So I'll start work now this week sometime. So what time we're gonna be doing the classes?
So like at what time comfortable for you?
Like it's up to you. I don't know what time do you work. Do you do it in the evening or you do early mornings or?
So at no. If you tell me your available timing so that I can change I can adjust my other classes.
Okay, like I'll be busy from like 7 o'clock to like 6.
7 to 6.
like I'll be leaving. Yeah, like I have to be at office at 8. So if I leave at 7, so that's
So
gonna be my
6
time.
means so at 6 okay? Before this time, before an hour before.
6 o'clock is fine. 6 to 7.
Yeah, okay then.
So
Okay.
so tomorrow you're gonna be at 6.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
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 Yeah, yeah. Okay then.
All right. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you. I will stop this recording and I will send it to you. Okay.
All righty. Thanks.
Okay.